Do mecanic. Ia bă. Ce faceți acolo?
Working pro and still composed? This buddy is unreal.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today. Oh, okay.
Bad mice, better think twice with him around.
Ah, yes, typing up your reports, I see.
No worries, pal. Sleeping without working won't cost your pate.